Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2023 IPSY GLAM BAG unbagging. I'm very excited because this is my first beauty subscription that has arrived for the new year. And if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I love subscriptions. I get all of the IPSY and all of the BoxyCharm subscriptions every month and I pay for them. I do not get them in PR. I also now am subscribed to Kinder Beauty, so I'm very excited to be starting off a new year, a new month of beauty subscription unboxings. Plus, I try out every makeup product that I get in my beauty subscriptions as part of my trying a new makeup product every day series that I have here on my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and get into the bag here. So this is the least expensive of all of my beauty subscriptions. It's primarily sample size, but it's a monthly beauty subscription that's supposed to be customized to each person. So that's what I think makes this a really fun unboxing to watch. I love to watch IPSY unbaggings, see what everyone got. Ooh, and I'm excited to see something soft and fuzzy in here. So this is a fun design for the bag this month. It feels very flat. Like the bag here, I'm like, do I have 5 products in this? Like it seems like if I do, they must be very small. And let's see, I did get a card. Okay, good, with some product information. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So, okay, first we've got Trifle Cosmetics. I don't think I'm familiar with this brand, and I love getting to try out new makeup brands, especially through these beauty subscriptions. Okay, and this is Lava Liner, water-resistant liquid liner. Oh my gosh. If the first product that I pulled out for the new year is a black liquid liner, that is going to be very upsetting and kind of a bad omen. Because I have mentioned so many times here on my channel that I do not want black liquid liners in my beauty subscriptions, and I feel like I've done everything I can to not get them. I update my quiz, my preferences. I think I've even emailed them to take me off of the list of getting black liquid liners, and I think I seriously just pulled out a black liquid liner as my first product. It doesn't say a color on here, but it's pretty packaging. It's got cupcakes all over it. Okay, let's see what the product information says. The Trifle Cosmetics Lava Liner in the shade Molasses. It's a full-size retail value of $10, which actually is not crazy expensive for a full-size product. So I'm excited to try out this brand, but not super excited for a black liquid liner because I'm not supposed to be getting these. Let's just move on to the next product and hope that it's better. Oh, I'm familiar with this brand, Polar. They make Arctic products, like products that are designed for Arctic temperatures, which I think is very cool. I live in Massachusetts, so it is getting very cold here lately. And this is the Ice Pure Gentle Scrub with Arctic Cotton. I think this is a face scrub. Yeah, exfoliating scrub. Okay, this is, to me, not a very exciting type of product to get either. I really prefer makeup, but not a black liquid liner type of makeup product. And I just have put so many times again that I don't want skincare, especially a cleanser. However, I do like this brand, and an exfoliating scrub is something that I use probably weekly as part of my skincare routine, so I'll get to this eventually, but it's just another product that I'm not super excited to be pulling out of my glam bag. It's a sample size. The full size retails for $29. Okay, yeah, not off to the best start here. Next, oh, we've got a product from Oriza Beauty. Okay, this is a product that I'm more excited to be pulling out. It's a little eyeshadow quad, and I love the brand Oriza Beauty. I will say they've sent me a few of their little eyeshadow palettes before in PR, so I've tried out a few of them. I have not tried out this beautiful Nebula Shimmer palette, which looks like it has pinks and purples. So yeah, I resist swatching the products in the unboxing video because soon here on my channel, when I try these out as part of that everyday series, I'll be doing the full swatching tutorial review type videos. So I am actually very excited to try this one out. I love these types of shades. I love trying out eyeshadow products. So yay. I'm excited to get this clearly. It's a full-size product that retails for $20. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Next, oh, Aether Beauty, another great brand. This is Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain. Okay, this is also a product that I'm finding very exciting. I love a multi-use product. I'm really excited to try out more from Aether Beauty. They make incredible eyeshadow products, and I love a lip and cheek product, so this sounds right up my alley. The Aether Beauty Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain in the shade Harmony is a sample, but a pretty good sample size for a product like that. It retails for $24. And then my fifth and final product in here, this looks like a pretty small sample, but it is from the brand IT Cosmetics. I love the brand IT Cosmetics, but I don't even know if I've really ever gotten it before, maybe like just a handful of times in a beauty subscription. And this here is the Hello Results Wrinkle Reduction Daily Retinol Serum in Cream. So a skincare product, which I am going to find a little bit less exciting to get in my glam bag, but it sounds really cool. Serum in cream, and I know I like IT Cosmetics, but I have not tried out very many of their skincare products. And a daily retinol. That makes me a little nervous because I have had some bad reactions to retinol before, but I am willing to give this a try. Oh yeah, the full size of the IT Cosmetics Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Serum in Cream is $69. So you're supposed to get a value of at least $50 in your glam bag. And I'm going to do a quick recap, but these small little handful of products that I have in front of me right now does not look like a $50 value. So yeah, let me do a recap. I've got the Polar Scrub, the Aether Beauty Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain, the IT Cosmetics Retinol, the, what is this brand? Trifle Cosmetics Lava Liner, and the Oriza Beauty Nebula Shimmer Eyeshadow Quad. So this is not my favorite glam bag. I would say it's pretty mixed. Some products I'm excited about and some products that I'm not excited about. And it just feels like this is very not well curated to my preferences and my feedback that I've given IPSY. So that's what's frustrating, is I've spent so much money on IPSY and given so much feedback, and for me to still be getting these types of products that I've said that I do not want to get is kind of frustrating. However, if you've tried any of these, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. Sometimes that can really help me feel more excited about the products that I got when I hear that it's a product that you enjoy. But also let me know in the comments down below what you got in your January 2023 IPSY Glam Bag. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.